How to sell organic tea and coffee on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So as you can see here, we have 6 steps to go through in order to set up our Etsy shop. So the first step is choosing your shop preferences. Then you will choose a name for your shop. Then you will stock your shop with photos and details. Then you proceed to choosing how you'll get paid. Then comes setting up your mailing settings or your mailing account. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here we choose the shop's language, then the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then you click on save and continue to proceed to choosing a name for your shop. So here make sure to choose a good name for your shop and remove the spaces. Then shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters, and if the name is available, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now, you'll be able to edit this later. So before we go on to add the photos and details, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here the first one is photos, and as you can see here in red, please upload at least one photo, as you can see. Then we have the inventory. So here in the inventory, you will need to give your product a price. Then we have the listing details. So here in the listing details, you will need at least to fill all of these red fields, as you can see. Then we have the shipping, where you will need also to fill all of the red fields that you're seeing right now. So let's go back to the photos, and here in photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video will feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record a high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, and it's where you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So here for the title, include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. Let's just give it a good title. Then you answer these 3 questions: who made it, the product, who made the product. You have 3 options to choose from: I did, a member of my shop, or another company or person. So let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category. So let's write some keywords and choose a category in here. So I'm going to choose the first one. Then you have some additional details to fill, like the primary color, the secondary color of the product. Is it caffeinated or not? Yes or no. Or receipt, to choose none of them. Then you have the sustainability, if it has organic ingredients, plastic free or vegan. Here you choose the tea type and choose the form, if it's bag, blooming, compressed, loose or powder. Also you have the flavor in here, and here if you want to search for an occasion, you can do it in here. Then you have the renewal options. If it's an automatic renewal, if you want an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want a manual one. So I'm going with the manual, which is free. Then here you have the description. So guys, in order to write a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners. If you want to add any, you can fill their details in here. Then for the section tags and materials, they are optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the price, so make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping information. So here make sure to fill all of these shipping information, or just the red fields like the origin postal code, the processing time of that each order will take. Here you have the standard shipping, the delivery time, and here you select the business days. And here you will choose what you'll charge for the shipping. If you're charged a free shipping or fixed price, you can choose whatever you would like. Then for everywhere else, the same thing. You choose the shipping service and what you'll charge for it. And then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges. So here you can apply the 30-day policy, or you can choose another policy by creating your own in here, as you can see. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.